Hello everyone, today we're going to make the biryani using the white masala. This biryani has a very unique taste which is very different than traditional biryani, so please do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To watch the videos in Hindi, click on the link in description box below. In a pot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. To it, add 6 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and 15 to 20 black peppercorns. Adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 bay leaves. Once it starts to splutter, add 5 sliced onions. Cook until it turns slight golden in color. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of green chili paste. Saute until the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. Add 2.5 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste. Adding 1 kilo of chicken pieces. Mix everything together nicely. Adding paste of 30 cashews. Cover with the lid and cook until the chicken gets done. In another pot, bring water to boil. To it, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. To it, adding 4 cups of basmati rice, adding 5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, drain the rice once it gets 80 to 90% cooked. When draining the rice, keep some of this water aside to be used later. Our chicken is also nicely cooked now. To this, add half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half cup of yogurt or dahi. Mix and cook for another minute or so. Lastly, add half cup of chopped coriander leaves, half cup of chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix everything and remove from flame. Now you can layer the rice in the same pot. It was a bit smaller for me, so I'm just transferring it to a bigger pot. Layering it with 2 brown onions. Adding all the rice. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of saffron mixed with 2 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1 tablespoon of kewra water. Adding some of the rice water that we had kept earlier. Cover with the lid and cook on a very low flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. Our delicious biryani is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel.